Adding Fractions by Nathan Harrison Clarke. There are 3 simple steps to add fractions. Step 1. Make sure the bottom numbers or the denominators are the same. Step 2. Add the top numbers or the numerators. Put the answer of the same denominator. Then, step 3. Simplify the fraction, but only if needed. I will explain this method as we go through it. Using this method, let's work out some questions together. Question 1. Add these fractions together. So we go to step 1. Make sure the bottom numbers, or the denominators, are the same. Now as you can see, both of the denominators, the bottom numbers, are 4. So what we do here is nothing. What all we have to worry about is go on to step 2. Step 2. Add the top numbers, or the numerators. So 3 plus 1 equals 4. The bottom number, 4. And that's our fraction, 4 over 4, or 1, because 4 over 4 is the same number, and that equals 1. Now let's go on to question 2. 3/12 and 1/4. Let's go on to step 1. Make sure the bottom numbers or the denominators are the same. So obviously you can see they're not, but 4 goes into 12. So 12 divided by 4 is 3. So we would need to times 4 by 3 to get to 12. So therefore over 12, 1 times 3 as well, because you do the same to the denominator and the numerator, and that's 3. So we've got 3/12 and 3/12, which we know is equal to a half. So that's that question. So let's go on to the next question. 1/3 plus a half. Now, this time, like in the last question, we had 4 and 12. 3 doesn't go into 2, and 2 doesn't go into 3. So this time, we need to find out what the highest common factor is of both of these numbers, which is 6. So 3 and 2 both go into 6. 3 goes in twice. So therefore we'd need to times 1 by 2. And 2 goes in 3 times. So then we'd have to times it by 3. So, bearing that in mind, let's go on to step 1. Make sure the bottom numbers, the denominators, are the same. So, we know that the highest common factor is 6. So we are going to get 6 and 6. We're going to get something over 6 plus something over 6. Now, we need to find out what the top numbers would be with 6. So 3, we found out 3 times 2 equals 6. So therefore we need to do 1 times 2, which is obviously 2. Now, 2 times 3 is 6. So 1 times 3 is 3. So now we have 3/6 and 2/6. We need to add these together. Sorry, we need to add these two together. Which really is just these two. You can see that they're similar. Now, These two added together will be something obviously over 6, because as it says in step 2, put the answer over the same denominator. So it's going to be something over 6. So we need to go on step 2 and add the top numbers, or the numerator, and that's 3 plus 2, which is 5. Let's make an equals sign. Which equals 5 over 6. Now, 5 can't be simplified, so that is this factor in its simplest form. So we can't actually simplify it, so that's the fraction in its simplest form, so that's it. We can't do anything else. Thank you for watching my video, and I hope I helped you to add fractions and work them out. By Nathan Harrison Clark. Thank you.